Hi guys, welcome to Array of Eats, and today we have an exciting episode. It's going to be a Wienerschnitzel challenge. I have 10 chili cheese dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to see how fast I can eat these up. Even if, I don't even think I can eat all 10. But we're going to see. So, it's a little difficult to get Bianca and I together for certain videos. So today I'm going to do this challenge, and then another day she'll do the challenge. And she'll post a video also. But I'm going to have my own timer here. And let's see how this is going to work. I haven't had Wienerschnitzel in like almost 2 years, I would say. And I like Wienerschnitzel. I just don't go there often. This locked on me again. Let's see. Alright. I got this ready. I was thinking, should I unwrap them and then start, or just unwrap them while the timer's going? So I think I'm going to unwrap them while the timer's going. And I have my water here. Usually I like my chili cheese dogs with mustard, like a lot of mustard. But I don't want to waste any time. I don't want to open up, put some mustard on it, and then eat it. That's it's going to be messy, and it's just, I'm going to lose time. I want to beat Bianca. Right now, it's 1-0. I think this is our second challenge. And I need to win. Okay, I'm ready for this. I should have put on my stretchy pants, aka leggings, but I did not. Darn it. Alright. My phone locked on this pen. Let's do this. I'm using my husband's phone for a timer. Alright, I'm going to place this right here. I'm just going to press start when I get ready. Alright. I'm nervous. Alright. Ready? Set. Go. I gotta win. I gotta win. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so dense. Oh. The bread. Oh my god. I'm gonna get the hiccups. Oh my gosh. This is hard. It tastes good. Oh my god. I want mustard. It's hot. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is hard. Excuse me, I had a hiccup. Oh my god. Oh god. I can't breathe. Why did I get 10? I'm trying to do 10. Wow. I don't know if I'm going slow or fast. I mean, I'm kind of going faster than this. It's going down so slow, like, it's so dense. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm done. Oh my gosh. Wow. I didn't think it was going to be that difficult. And they're so salty. I miss my mustard. And cheese. I want a chili cheese hot dog. Oh my gosh, that was hard. But, oh, I didn't see the time. Let's see. $5:59 and 54 seconds. Excuse me. I gotta see what Bianca gets. I hope I win. I really need this win. We can at least be tied. Oh my gosh, I am full. Wow. That was fun, but that was the first time we did a race with, I did a race with, like, the first one we did was Jell-O. That was not that hard. This is hard. It's so dense, it's so salty. You want to chew fast, but you just can't. It's just so much in your mouth. Good luck, Bianca. I hope you can do it. And don't worry, guys. This stuff is not going to waste. I can't eat this anymore, but it's not going to waste. My husband would gladly eat these hot dogs. Maybe I'll eat one later on. Who knows? I'm full. That was a lot of fun. It was 6 minutes. Almost 6 minutes. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, and a bite. 4 hot dogs and a bite of the 5th. I thought I could easily get through maybe 5 or 6, but no, I couldn't. It gets stuck in your throat. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me. I hope I beat Bianca on this race. We'll see how she does. She's going to be posting the next video after this one. I need this win. Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Array of Eats. Like the videos. Comment. We'll give you a shout out. It's always exciting. And tell us what you want us to do next. It's fun doing the challenges or the races. I like them. Alright, guys, thank you so much. And I really appreciate you guys watching our videos. It means a lot. And we'll see you soon, and take care. Bye.